Good afternoon, Eagles, and welcome to this week's Eagle Check-In. This is Hearne ISD, where Eagles soar. Great things can happen for every student, every day, by keeping the main thing the main thing. The main thing is our students and their success, but only with you and your help and support throughout the year. Did you know that Hearne ISD has a new Eagle Check-In print newsletter available in English and Spanish online, or you can pick up paper copies at each campus front desk and in the community. Upcoming events include STAAR testing. STAAR testing begins in Hearne ISD next week on April 9th, that is Tuesday, April 9th. Specific dates for each grade level and campus testing are shown on your screen now. Please pause the screen if you need more time to review these dates. There are many other events coming up in and around the Hearne ISD community. Please check out these events on your screen and visit our website, view the calendar, and you can find more information about any of these events online.
Hi, I'm Allie Worster. I'm a family nurse practitioner, and I'm here to tell you a little about the Texas A&M School of Nursing Mobile Clinic. We are parked on site in Hearne every Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and it's a nurse practitioner run clinic, and we service the students here at the school district as well as the whole community and surrounding areas. We offer full primary care services, so that runs from the common cold to an ear infection to strep throat and flu and COVID, to managing the chronic conditions that a lot of community members may be struggling with high blood pressure, with diabetes, depression, all of those sorts of things we're happy to address and help everyone out with.
Our mobile clinic offers complete primary care services. We can do prescriptions, vaccines. We even provide state-provided vaccines for those without insurance. We take all insurances except for Molina Healthcare, so we do take all the primary insurances such as Medicaid, Medicare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, just to name a few. For those who do not have insurance, we do offer a sliding scale discount. What that means is based on your personal circumstances, we will offer a discount based on your income, your dependence of your school. We can offer up to as low as $15 for a visit, depending on that situation. So we have a great sliding scale and opportunities for anybody who has insurance or without insurance.